This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on Xbox in a straightforward manner. Follow these simple steps to ensure you receive your earnings without any hassle. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your Xbox account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your earnings. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once logged in, go to the account settings. Look for the section labeled Payouts or Earnings to access your payout options. Step 3. Check your earnings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Request your payout. Follow the prompts to request your payout. You may need to select a payment method, such as direct deposit or a digital wallet, and confirm your request. Step 5. Confirm and track your requests. After submitting your payout request, confirm that it has been processed. You can track the status of your payout in the same section where you requested it. Thank you for following this guide. By completing these steps, you should be able to request your payouts on Xbox easily.